Whoa! Hey guys, how's it going here? Mike back at it. Mike's RC Corner. Got the little man with me.
Hi.
Hello. And we're just doing a video here. As you know, if you follow my channel, the 9125, the GP Toys, S920, Xinlenhong, Hosim, Van Valeur. It goes under many names, the OEM, but this truck is one of our favorites. We like driving this one a lot, and that's the 110 scale truck. And now I got the 116 Xinlenhong and I got the 120 scale, but I want to show you guys this running with that. It's a hot summer day. The humidex is 40. It's about 31, 32 outside here. Hot summer times are here. As you can see, the grass is browning out. Anyways, we're gonna just do a nice video and show you guys these models giving it a go. All right, let's show them what we got, buddy.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Give me a high five. All right.